country's lawmakers never rest in conjuring up ways and means to uplift the lives of those who earn an honest day's living. The latest proposed piece of legislation seeks to up the keep of daily minimum wage earners to match the high cost of living, as Armela Las Moras reports.
More proposed laws for the welfare of Filipino workers have been filed in the House of Representatives, like House Bill number 2599 or the National Minimum Wage Bill filed by the Makabayan Bloc. Under the bill, they seek to establish a national minimum wage that matches the current cost of living for Filipinos and abolish the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board.
Malinaw na ito ang number one na panawagan ng mga Pilipino. Kung kahit titignan mo yung mga surveys, yung pagtaas ng sahod at pagbaba ng presyo.
Bukod po doon sa ifa-file na i-abolish natin yung regional wage boards para magkaroon ng national wage board, ay isasaklaw din ng national minimum wage, hindi lang ang private sector pero pati ang public sector.
For its part, the Kamanggagawa Party List also proposed new bills for the labor sector. This include proposed comprehensive nursing law of 2025, proposed hazard pay for private healthcare workers, and Magna Carta for workers in the informal economy. Meanwhile, for the maritime sector, two new proposed bills were also filed by one Tahanan Party List Representative Nathaniel Oducado.
We filed two major bills for the maritime sector. We filed first po yung shipbuilding, ship repair, ship recycling na batas natin. And the second po is yung tax incentive sa shipyards natin. These two major bills po are supposed to create more jobs kasi ang shipbuilding po nakakabigay ng additional jobs to 13 or more industries.
In the plenary session yesterday, Cavite 1st District Representative Jolo Revilla was formally appointed as the head of the House Committee on Labor and Employment. He assured their committee will be open to everyone and vowed to craft policies that provide concrete benefits to the nation's workers. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.